So that pulls through. So that's kind of like an airtight seal that allow the air to go through effectively and efficiently. So that will go through like that. Just position that. After that, we can either then, so this now is your connections for your heating elements. So those will be tucked through the side, and we channel it that way, that gets stuck to the way. It's all nice and neat over there. We then would turn it over, and then we're stuck with a bit of a conundrum here, because we have Velcro here, and we have a Velcro acceptable fabric over here. So now we have these marking clips which allow us to locate the cover in the right place so we get the right shape of it. But if we were to try and put it on now, we're stuck with, this thing is now stuck on here. So we can't position our clips, we way out of line. So what we've done is we've just designed a simple thing like that, which fits in there, which is a buffer between the two surfaces. So now we put that on and we're able to move this around and locate our clips. So if you look here now, you see all these marks, they will then locate to the clips and it'll give us the perfect position to put our cover on. Because if you take it too high, you're going to get a misshape in the front. If you take it too far, you're not going to be able to get it over. So these have been designed to fit in the perfect. So I'm going to do this side, and then if one of you guys are going to have a go at doing the other side. So what you do is you put your finger next. I think you can do it. So if you have a look here. So what you want to do is you want to put your finger next to there, and then push into the clip.
You want to put your finger next to the clip right here?
Yeah.
And then push into it?
Yeah.
Should I push harder? I don't want to.
Yeah, push as hard as you like. It's a constant wrestling match. It always looks easier because I've done 20,000 of them.
See, I hear the click here, but then it doesn't go on.
So if you look, you want to fit on the clip.
Oh, in between.
And then push it in.
Okay, so then this one in between.
That's it. And there are 5 of those. So you've got.
Okay, where's the other one?
That's the one there, and then you've got another 2 down the bottom.
That's one here. And you said 2 on the bottom as well.
So because the system allows you to easily remove the cover if there's issues. So it's quite, the turnaround time in your workshops and stuff is very quick. If you have to, you can charge an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours labor for something that only takes you a couple of minutes, really. And these are the only things that we've ever had an issue with. You've had a small leak or you've had a problem with the pipe. If you that you can have in your warehouses, or you can have in your workshops. You can have 20, 30 of those. You can charge 5 hours labor to replace that, and it'll probably take you 5 minutes. Very, very clever. Did you see the one this morning which I blew up? Yeah. So it's very similar to that. So when we've done there, we have this pocket. So this is your outer bolsters. This will be facing the door. This is where it goes, slides in and out of the seat. This side is your buckle side. So we put that over there, and then we fold that over. Careful not to tear because there is a weak spot over there. We fold that over, and then we just position everything over until it flips over. Then at that point we pull that one out, and then we can position our. So now we know we're in the right position. I'm not going to do the whole seat because I've got this to assemble again.